damage, fuck. Jesus Christ, best time to run out of ammo that was. Greetings operators and channel members and welcome back to Stingray Airsoft. It is the first game of the year for us, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Worthing Airsoft, and I am so excited to be back for another year of epic airsoft adventures. It is going to be a good one. Starting off then with a game that is kind of like Capture the Flag, only it's capture multiple barrels from the enemy base, secure a radar station, secure a telephone pole, and then steal some gas from some poor bloke who lives somewhere near us. It's a very odd version of Capture the Flag, but that's essentially the closest I can describe it to. Anyway, guys and girls, we're running on the blue team today. Teamed up with a guy called Ollie and also with Simon as we take on the enemy team, trying to infiltrate their base and push their team back as far as possible, trying to secure most of the field for our team to take over all the objectives. Guys and girls, if you do enjoy my content, please hit that subscription button and make sure you like this video if you enjoy my content. Guys and girls, without further ado, please enjoy the rest of the video. Go, go, go! It's game on. First game of the year for me. Let's do it. Unfortunately, however, there is a nasty 160-meter sprint in full kit to the sandbag bunker. In this case, it's the radar station. The objective is to secure the radar station, make sure we have it for the rest of the game, move 2 crates of food in there, and protect them at all costs. If we succeed in protecting the radar station and the food, we will gain valuable points towards the end game. Directly in front of from here, basically. Yeah, pushing right, yeah, pushing right. Right, fellas, they're pushing right into dark woods. Just watch our right, guys. Let's get cut off. Two down. Take shots. Roger. He's going to peek again in a second. Two guys down on the right, two down on the right. Where are we looking? Mag out! Yeah. Mag in.
Yep. Can you see him? Yep, I see two.
Yep. Two, one more. He's down.
One front.
There, that's it. So one guy's still behind that barricade.
Yeah. We can give you cover.
Yeah, if you give us cover on that, we're going to go push around right.
Also, somebody's started up here.
Yep.
Push, go.
Cover fire!
I heard they hit the barricade. Oh. I can't actually peek.
One guy behind the tree, the big tree in front of us.
Okay.
One guy behind left.
I'm watching right. Yeah. Watch that side.
Yep. Tree here is good to move up to if you're ready.
Here we go, in front.
One guy left to right, right to left even.
Hit.
Stand by. On my right!
I know where to is. Alright, ready? Back in! I'm gonna go to the right.
Yep, go. Hits! Good shot! Whew! Yep. Good enough. Back in. It's on my hand point. Yeah. I think it's the third barricade up. See, he's got a little hat.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Yeah, he's just peek back down.
shot coming in from the right as well. Roger. You're also right, I've got the front in case anyone comes. Shit. Fuck. Jesus Christ, best time to run out of ammo that was. Hit!
Although I've been taken out, it's not a problem. The sandbag bunker ultimately is now completely secured, and the enemy players don't know how to raid it anymore. So that's good news for us. This also means now that we can try and do a flank of our own and try and assault their base. A lot of the supplies are stashed at the enemy fob. If we can get close enough, we might be able to raid it and steal lots of valuable loot, which also give us more points towards the endgame result.
Sean, up left apparently. Up left somewhere. Yep, see?
Keep an eye on left.
Oh shit, I've not got the range for that.
Right, I need a fucking... Oh, is that him? Is he like kneeling?
I don't know.
John Swart, let's see if I can...
Yeah, I think it's, if you look straight through that tree, that clearing, I think that's where he is. Left seems clear now. Come on, mate, push.
Side left and right. Careful, you're not got good cover there. From where he is. Left.
Seen, left. Far left, pushing left round. Right to left, one more coming, full tan. Two, one pushing right, one pushing left. Yep. Yeah, really far back. Two pushing up, one full black, coming close. Hold fire, let them get closer. Let them get closer, they're outside our effective. They're walking away, they're gonna push left. Go on, Si. Yep, go, I'm behind you. Ah! I'm out of bounds. One guy right, Si, it's on the right. Behind the tree in front of me. Tree in front of me, and another one there. Another one low. Got him. Two down, one right low. Copy. I've got a guy directly front, probably the sniper. Down there, straight through that gap. See?
Nope. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I can't reach that.
No, neither can I. I'm going to tuck in from that.
I've got both.
Ready?
Yeah, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go. Keep going back.
Oh, fuck, I'm dead today. Yeah.
Shit. Right, respawn, get back here. Yeah. It's kind of hard to see for it. Yeah. He's running right to left. Oh, we could try it. Oh, it's an LMG, okay. Oh, I'm going to be down to last mag in a minute.
Watch there. My 12. 3 there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. To the right, careful. Got him. Ready? They see the big, with the fallen log, yeah? Big barricade there, get ready to move there. 3, 2, 1, go. Medic coming in. Ooh. So down. Turn. Yeah. I did with the GoPro. Makes my head big.
Cheers, mate.
No worries, man. You're back.
Back in.
Oh no! Yeah. Go on the right, I see him. Low. Mag out, mag out. Fuck. Last mag. No, on my hand point, on the far right. Far right, laying down low. Yeah, seen. He's up, up. Look at me, look at me, look at me. Come to me, come to me, come to me. On my hand point, sticking out. Straight through that little triangle. See him? Got eyes? To the left of that.
Oh shit, I see.
He's still there somewhere. That Bolty's still up, guys.
Whereabouts?
If you look, he was in there, slightly to the right of that shot, where they're shooting right now. If you go shift a little bit left, I'm gonna go help them. Got him! Bolty's down! Attention to the left! Let him up! Well played, dude, well played. That's how you do that. Can we steal stuff from their base?
Yeah.
Just one, or can we all take a piece each?
Let me double.
Yeah.
What?
Stand by for instruction.
So, managed to get into a position.
We're gonna raid their base in a second.
One barrel per player. You can take the fucking lot.
Roger.
Remember, standard carry rules, sidearms, no bullshit rifle tactics.
Guys, everybody push up. We're gonna make a raid on the base. Push, push, push up. We're just gonna rush in. We're gonna try. All right? We're gonna rush straight in. We can steal a barrel each, apparently.
What is it? The
This, yeah, building in front of us, yeah. That's their base, yeah.
Right, cool.
Ready?
Yeah.
We're going, yep. Assault, assault, assault. Push, 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 push! Push! Got him! Got him! Keep pushing! Hit! Ow, fuck. Oh shit, dropped my... Oh, that's gonna backfire. Dead man!
Guys and girls, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. It was amazing to be back at the site. I had such a blast. The new structure of running long games in the morning and then shorter games in the afternoon works really well. And I think we're going to be in for one hell of a year of Airsoft at the WA. So I cannot wait to see what games we do in the future. Remember, guys, to like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.